In this video, we are going to be looking at 10 top performing TikTok ads for conversions. These ads are for popular dropshipping products, which will give you insight on how to make your ads convert, as well as give you some winning product ideas as well. Before we get into the video, if you like videos about winning products, dropshipping, Shopify themes, apps, and tutorials, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn notifications on. Now, let's get into the video. Alright, a quick note, if you haven't posted a video on TikTok yet, give it a try. It's no secret that TikTok can make your business go viral overnight. Thousands and thousands of dropship products have never had a TikTok video made for them, so you have the chance to post the first ad a person ever sees for a certain product on this platform. I have a few videos where I showed you how to make a simple ad using only product photos and videos from the listing, so you don't even need to have the product with you, so don't put it off any longer, give it a try. Now let's take a look at our first ad. The first ad is for the stainless steel tea infuser. This product is one of the top sellers on AliExpress with 1,249 sales and close to a 5-star rating. Let's take a look. This ad to me looks like it was a video from a product listing. It was 18 seconds long and their caption read stainless steel tea diffuser. Our next ad is for this toy. This toy flies around in the air like a UFO and claims to be anti-collision. It will fly in the opposite direction of your hand or a wall. A similar type of this toy was trending a while back. In fact, I actually did a whole winning products video about it, but I didn't end up publishing it because I found out after that there was a patent on the product. I don't know if this product has the same issue, so as for any product you see me post or anyone else, always do your research beforehand and make sure you have the green light to sell. Regardless, we can still learn from this ad, so let's take a look. This video used text-to-speech with music behind it. It's a simple 12-second video showing the product, and it's among the top performing ads for conversions. Next up, we have an ad for the snuffle ball. It's a dog toy where you can hide treats in the folds of the fabric. We showed this winning product back in October, so this just goes to show you that even if a product is older, it doesn't matter. If you're one of the first people to do an ad on TikTok, you can get conversions just like this person. Let's watch the video. This ad didn't even show a dog using it and it still converted. Simply showing how it works was sufficient for this video to convert. I think it's important to see these things because we can be hesitant on posting ads because we overcomplicate things or desire perfection. But with TikTok, you can post multiple ads for the same product several times, so try different things out. I like to think that maybe this person didn't even have a dog, so they could have debated waiting until they could get a video clip of their friend's dog, but they didn't and it worked for him. All that to say, don't put off posting your videos, use what you have right now. Next up, we have an ad for this RC car that is hand-controlled. This is one of those wow factor products because it isn't common. I'm used to seeing the remote-controlled RC, but nothing like this, so it definitely stops people from scrolling. The next ad is for these magnetic fidget rings. These claim to help with anxiety, so you could place these in the problem-solving category. One note on this product, I did notice in the caption that they wrote that this was patented. I don't know if that's true, but if you're considering selling this product, take a look into it just in case. Our next ad is for this sink caddy that you can extend to fit most sinks. You can store your sponges in here or hang your cloths on it, and it has holes at the bottom for easy drainage. Let's take a look. There's one part there with the water at the back of the sink where they identified this as a problem solution product. Problem solving products tend to sell better than nice to have products, so think of what pain points you could list for your videos and then offer your product as a solution. Next up, we have an ad for this tea warmer. It keeps your beverages warm, which is super handy with so many people working from home. Let's take a look at the video. This video used text-to-speech with music playing in the background and was only 19 seconds long. If you wanted to do a video for this product, I think you could definitely find space on the app. This product comes in different colors and designs. There is even this bunny-eared one, so just showing a different one or it being used in a different setting or identifying that pain point of working from home and having your coffee go cold is a great way to put this in the problem-solving category. Our next ad is for these glow-in-the-dark bouncy balls that can stick to the walls, the roof, or any other surface you throw them on. Let's take a look at the video. As you can see, this video is very similar to the one shown on the AliExpress website, so this type of video is working, but if you want to set yourself apart, I definitely recommend ordering one yourself and doing your own video. I think it'd be cool to show the balls in the light and then do a transition to the music showing them glowing afterwards. Next, we have this diffuser. This too is an older winning product. Let's take a look at the video. What I like about this one is that they've targeted a different market. They are going for teen boys. Typically when you see diffusers, they are targeted to women and feature essential oils, but here we have this boy talking about his girlfriend and squirting in his cologne rather than using essential oils. It's really smart to target a different demographic when the other is oversaturated. Our final ad is for this hair curler. It's wireless, you can take it with you and do your hair on the go. Let's take a look. I think the reason this is doing so well is because it's being targeted to a different demographic. She mentions high school, so this is targeted towards teenage girls rather than women that are college age or over. This product is quite saturated as far as TikTok ads go, so it gives you a good indicator that these types of products are selling. So make sure to keep your eye out for more hair tools like this. On that note, if you haven't subscribed already, we post a lot of time-sensitive content such as winning products on this channel, so you'll want to subscribe and turn notifications on so that you can be one of the first to market when we post those videos. Thanks for watching. Make sure to join our private Facebook group for those links, and if this video helped you, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up or let me know in the comments below.